Chief, I listened to your lecture, and despite all the circulars and the efforts of the judiciary to digitize the processes, as of yesterday, according to data from JTF COVID, there are still 1,728 Filipinos detained for violating quarantine. These are bailable offenses. Chief, I studied the data. This is a curve that has not flattened. What can the Supreme Court do, either on its own or either in its capacity as a member of the JSCC, to address this? Because surely 1,728 Filipinos still detained in a 7-month lockdown for a bailable offense doesn't sound right.
Yeah. Oh, this is my first time to the judges to do something about it, no? Yeah, kasi I do not know, kasi bailable yan eh. The penalty is not too high. It's bailable. They can use sa tingin ko, baka pwede pang epidemic recognitions on their own eh. So if there are 178,000, how many? How many? 1,000. I'm sorry, 1,000 plus. 1,000 plus. I think we have to do something about that. If this are already pending before the. I will take note of that. But may I ask, are you sure that this are already filed before the court?
Chief, nagkakaroon po ng backlog sa either filing it before inquest prosecutors and filing in court. I think that was the explanation of Interior Secretary Anyo. Parang hindi sila makapag-file either sa prosecutor, at pag nasa prosecutor na, hindi sila makapag-file sa court. So there is delay, but they can't exactly tell me ano yung delay.
Yeah, okay. This is what you will do. I will coordinate with the anyway, meron naman kaming a group, yung tinatawag namin na Justice Zone, among the DOJ, the GSC, the ILG, and the Supreme Court. We will try to look to, but kasi the procedure is very simple eh. When one is arrested without a warrant, mag-lecture na lang tayo ng konti. So that if the policemen are listening, or the arresting officer, when a person is arrested without a warrant, that person must be delivered to the judicial authorities within the periods provided for under 125 ng Article 125 eh. Pag pag light felonies yan, within 12 hours dapat i-file yung case if there is probable cause. Or if it is higher than light felony, then within 24 hours, ipapile yung case agad dyan. If it is grave felony, then they should be filed within 36 hours. In other words, meron silang period eh. Now, kung may delay doon sa inquest, I think we have to remind na lang sila because they are not under our jurisdiction. But that is the procedure eh. So, I'm surprised why there is a delay in the filing. Kasi kung i-file na nila yan at bailable yan, or fine lang yan, ang ginagawa na lang yung nahuhuli, nagbabayad na lang siya ng fine eh. Tapos na eh. I do not know, but we will try to determine the reasons. Pag you ask me that, sa husgado yan, ngayon after this one, I will call the judges immediately. So I'm now telling the court administrator is present here that if the cases already filed there at nandyan pa at bailable or can be released on their own recognizance, they have to do something. Ayaw ko yun. For everyday imprisonment, masama yan eh. Di ba?
Chief, your suggestion po na fine na lang imbis na going through the motions of the process, is that gonna be your official suggestion to the JSCC or to other law enforcement agencies? Can we expect that will be the Supreme Court's official suggestion?
Ito ang procedure, Iha eh. Inaresto mo yung tao, then it will go to the inquest. Yung inquest, i-determine niya kung mayroong probable cause to file. Pag sinabi ng fiscal, may probable cause to file, then ipapile niya. Pag walang probable cause, ito marahil ang sinasabi mong delay. Pag walang probable cause to file, hindi niya i-dismiss yung case. Magkakandak ng PI. But if the case does not call for a PI, kasi depende sa penalty, dapat i-resolve na niya agad yon. Kasi light felony eh. Kung light felony yan, So we will trace kung saan yan i-hand. Anyway, we'll coordinate with the other offices. Ganun po ang proseso eh.